Welcome! If you're looking to speed up your Pinterest app or solve some pesky glitches, clearing your app cache could be the perfect solution. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to clear your app cache right from Pinterest's privacy settings. This quick process can help your app run smoother and free up some space on your device. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all your settings. Once you're inside the app, head straight to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, at the top of your profile page, you'll see your profile picture again. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up your account menu, where you can find all your personal settings and preferences. Next, scroll down and look for the option labeled Privacy and Data. Tap on it to enter the privacy settings. Here, Pinterest gives you control over your account's privacy, data usage, and cached data. Within the Privacy and Data section, you'll notice a heading called Cached Data. This is where all the temporary files and images that Pinterest saves on your device are stored. These files help the app load faster, but over time they can build up and cause issues. To clear out this cached data, simply tap on the option that says Clear App Cache. You might see a quick confirmation message pop up. Just confirm that you want to clear the cache. In a few seconds, Pinterest will remove all those temporary files, freeing up space and potentially fixing any lag or loading problems you've been experiencing. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your app cache in Pinterest's privacy settings. Regularly clearing your cache is a great way to keep your app running smoothly and ensure you have the best Pinterest experience possible. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on getting the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.